Look at this shit. Took a fucking knife to all four of my fucking tires. All four of them.
Well, I mean, I don't really want to break up my house, but he's at my house.
The little one?
Yeah, the little one's at my door.
Did you do something to my car? Did you do the 4 tires? Because my wife says she saw you in the window take a knife.
Thank you. Not anymore. What I did was I put another case into it, and it kind of holds the things a little bit more stable, so no more crackling noise. If it does, then it gets going all the way around just to look at her butt. Not bad, it's a decent looking butt. More bad idea is pervert for life. Can't escape it, bro. Hashtag pervert for life. Hashtag hentai for life. And that's it. Damn, I should have put more. Hell no. What the fuck? 100 band, 100 band, 100 band. Contraband, contraband, contraband. The floor is all slippery. Hey, we can still do it though. Hey lady! My tire a little low on air there. Diana Cueto! Diana Cueto! Man, I don't know what the fuck. I always choose to ride at the worst. Well, I mean, it wasn't my fault today. I would have been riding a long time ago if it wasn't for this fucking rain. Now is when the rain subsided, and it's probably gonna subside for the rest of the day until maybe later tonight. But, you know, fuck. It sucks. Oh, yeah, what I was trying to tell you, misconception about, like, South Florida, especially a lot of those guys, a lot of you guys up there from Canada and up north, New York, and a lot of those cold places that haven't really ridden down here in this tropical climate. I hate to burst your bubble. You guys complain about, I mean, it's not, you guys have it worse. I'll give it to you. I'll give that to you. I know you guys have it worse. However, you guys have that misconception that you guys think that down here it's all fucking sunny all the time. It is when it's not summer. When it's summertime, it's unbearably hot to ride, muggy, and on top of that, it's you could ride, but it rains every day in the afternoon. So if you want to get any kind of riding in, it'll have to be in the morning. The problem with that is people work in weekdays, so you're gonna be riding weekends. If you're lucky, you need to get up early and ride before it starts raining. If it's not raining by then already. So, I don't know about that tire, man. Something's off with that shit. I have to put a little bit of air in it. It's feeling kind of wiggly. Oh shit, what the fuck? What the hell do we have here? It's a fancy car. Fancy, what? It's just nice. Oh, these people had an accident. Okay. I don't think I am. What a dummy. Here in Miami, after a certain time on a weekday, this is dangerous. That's really dangerous. You don't get hit, Bobble. This man didn't even look. That's okay. I was ready for you. It's funny, I'm in a 15 mile per hour zone because it's a school zone. I was wondering if I can do 15 mile per hour wheelies. Does that mean I'm not gonna get a speeding ticket? Probably. I can argue that one in court. Be like, yeah, I was on one wheel, but I got video. I was doing 15. So I technically can't get a speeding ticket. Nothing to brag about, really. Stupid fucking idea. Alright, school zone's over. Stop being a dickhead. Come on, shithead. Normally it takes me, even with the motorcycle, it's taking me an extra 15 minutes to get to Tony's house. An extra 15 minutes just to get to somebody's house because of how bad the traffic is. And I've been trying to, like, avoid getting hit. I've been trying to avoid road rage. People get fucking mad, dude. You gotta be careful who you cross sometimes. I don't know. Maybe I'm just overly cautious. Right there, must turn right. Interesting. Why aren't you turning right then? Makes me wonder. I know an easier way to Tony's house, which is that way. Let's do it.
Those who are involved in traffic crashes involving motorcycles often say, I didn't see him.
Thanks. I'm glad they put that. I like that nowadays they're a little bit more self-aware, even though they hate us. I know they deep down hate us, but you know, whatever. No, it can't. Drive brakes get busted. It's like 3/4 or 1, a 2, a 3. That's what we want. Way better feeling in the tire. I bet you I can still wheelie too. Like I needed something where I could still wheelie, but damn, the road was feeling squirrely, like just regular riding. Alright, so I hope this really works. Oh no, here we go with the wobbles again. There's no trade-off. You either have a wobbly regular tire or a shitty wheeling tire. Jesus Christ.
What up, bro?
What's up?
What are you doing, princess?
We do. We need to make more videos. Okay, I only film the floor. Later, Tony.
Alright, brother.
I mean, I'll try one. Thank you. Damn, booty. Booty, 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 booty rocking everywhere. Booty, 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 booty rocking everywhere. I found you, Mr. Holy shit. Damn. That's a dark ass sky. I'm glad I'm going home. I'm sorry, Tony. I wanted to hang out with Tony all day. Follow Tony on Instagram, One Wheel Tony. Follow him on YouTube, man. I've been trying to push him to get some more videos. I know he's been busy and shit. I'm not gonna get on his case about it, but you know what I mean. I'm big on getting my friends making videos, man. Cause you know, whatever, man. It's just fun to have people to ride with and make videos together. It seems like when they have their cameras on, they're more willing to do stupid shit, and it's funny. Oh shit! I just lane split in front of a cop. I wonder how that's gonna go. Fucking cinnamon all over my fucking helmet. Whatever. To be honest with you, I don't think he wants to deal with it either. Probably rush hour, he wants to go home real bad. Last thing he wants to do is deal with a biker right now on some petty shit. That's the best part about having a dual sport. I just don't care anymore. Oh shit. What are you looking for?
They fucking flattened my 4 tires right now. The people that used to live right in the house that we're living in now?
Yeah.
They were walking by this way. I don't know if they came down this way or they went up that way.
There's nobody that way. I just came from that way. Hey, I'll tell you what, let me get a Hey bro. I think that little kid that used to live there is in my house right now.
Huh?
I think the little kid that lives here, used to live here, is at my house right now.
Was it the little one? Look at this shit. Took a fucking knife to all 4 of my fucking tires. All 4 of them.
Well, I mean, I don't really want to break up my house, but he's at my house.
The little one.
Yeah, the little one's at my door.
He's right by it. He's in the... Did you just put a 4 gomas ponchadas?
¿Quién?
¿Quién? La policía de camino.
No, bueno, yo no sé.
Did you do something to my car? Did you do the 4 tires? Because my wife said she saw you in the window take a knife to 4 of my tires. Okay.
Oh shit.
Okay. The cops are on the way. All I did, you guys, you have to take and flatten 4 of my tires. La 4 gomas me la ponchó. Está en camino la policía.
Oh shit. Alright, that's weird. So what happened was, it was my neighbor. And now I have to be careful with these fucking people. You see, you can't live in peace in this fucking city. That's what I keep fucking explaining to you guys. You guys are like, yeah, your neighborhood isn't that bad. It's pretty fucking bad, like how stupid it is. So those people used to live in the house where those people live over here now. And then I guess they're like taking it out because they got evicted. And they're taking it on these people that have nothing to fucking do with it because they bought the house after these guys got kicked out. I'm here editing this last piece of video, and I guess like to a certain extent, yes, I feel bad for... I don't feel bad for her. I think the mom is a fucking cunt. And she's a terrible mother, and she's leaving these kids. She's basically allowing kids to be homeless, which is so fucked up in my point of view. And she's just it's just a mess. And I'm not even gonna get involved in that, or like, or even give a real good. I don't give a shit about her, but I do feel bad for the kids. I really do, cause like she's raising a delinquent that is just like not. I like that kid's future is gonna be. I feel bad. Like I don't even know what to say. But Instagram. Oh yeah, Instagram right here. Follow me, and we'll catch you another episode. So for now, peace.